This week we are starting our Ancient Greece Genius Hour. And in this project, you guys are going to have the chance to take charge of your learning. You guys will be able to choose your own topic, anything that has to do with ancient Greece, and you will be able to choose your own project style. And I will go over all sorts of different project styles once we get to that step. But for today, I'd like to tell you a little bit about step 1, which is picking your topic. You can choose any topic as long as it has a connection to ancient Greece and is going to be something that interests you. I want you to start there. What really would interest you to learn more about? There are some suggestions here. These are popular topics, but they are not all of the possible topics. So if you think of something, you don't really see it anywhere on this list, or if I provide you with another list to use and you don't really see the topic that really interests you, just check with me and I'll be able to let you know, and we'll kind of talk through it together and if that's going to be a good topic for you to do some research on. So when you're choosing a topic, find something that interests you. You're going to want to choose something where you have the opportunity to learn something new. So I know some of you have a lot of background knowledge already about the gods and goddesses of ancient Greece. And if you want to explore that topic more, I totally support you. However, if you find that the resources that I have in the classroom or the ones that I provide to you online are not giving you new information, you might need to choose something different, something that helps you explore more of ancient Greece than what you already know. Of course, your topic has to be related to ancient Greece, and you're going to need to find multiple sources on this topic. So if you find, one of those weird facts about ancient Greece, and you want to do a whole project on it, it might be more challenging for you to find multiple sources to support that one weird fact about ancient Greece. So you want to pick a topic where you can really dig in, and one of the first things I'm going to ask you to do with your topic is to come up with some subcategories or some subtopics. For example, if I think I want to farming, maybe my subtopics are, okay, what kind of things did they plant? When was the harvest time? Did they have any farm animals? What was the land like? So these are some of the things that I will look for when I start taking notes. For today, we're just worrying about step 1, which is choosing a topic. At the end of the week, we're going to do step 2, which is building some of that background information. And I'm really going to have you start taking notes and using different print and digital resources at the end of the week.